So that's the RFH module.
Connector's frickin' rotten too.
Oh yeah. How many K does this truck have?
Brand new.
Brand new. Jesus. And it was just dead when you tried starting it.
Wouldn't unlock and it didn't, like the RFH